In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop for meeting notes. Microsoft Loop is a powerful tool designed to enhance collaboration and productivity, especially when it comes to keeping thorough and accessible notes during meetings. Whether you're using Loop for personal note-taking or as part of a team, this guide will help you navigate and make the most out of its features. Let's begin by accessing Loop. Start by going to the Microsoft Loop website. Once you're there, you're going to need to sign in to access your workspace. Click on the Sign In button and enter your email and password before clicking Next to proceed. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to use Microsoft Loop. Once you're signed in, navigate to your workspace. Your workspace is like your personal headquarters in Microsoft Loop. Here you can view, edit, and manage all your Loop components and pages, which are basically your documents. Think of it as your digital notebook or binder, organizing all your meeting notes and collaborative documents in one place. Next, find your way to your page within the workspace. This could be a page you've previously set up or a new one you want to start for your meeting notes. Pages in Loop offer you a canvas where your meeting notes will live. You can format these pages in a way that suits your note-taking style, or even use them for collaborative sessions in real time with your team members. Now that you're set with your page, it's time to look at templates. Click on Template Gallery at the bottom. Templates are a powerful feature in Loop, designed to give you a head start on your documents. They come in various formats catering to different needs, such as project plans, brainstorming sessions, and of course meeting notes. Within the Template Gallery, click on Meeting Notes. This template is specifically designed to help you take efficient and structured notes during meetings. It often includes sections for agenda items, action points, and key decisions, making it easier to follow along and capture the essential details of your meeting. After selecting the Meeting Notes template, click on Use Template. This action will generate a new page with the meeting notes format ready for you to fill in during your meeting. It's pre-organized but fully customizable, allowing you to adjust as per the specifics of your meeting. Once your meeting is over and you've filled in your notes, you might want to share these with other attendees or team members. Click on Share to open up Loop's sharing options. Here you can invite others to view or collaborate on the document, ensuring everyone is on the same page and action items are clearly communicated. For a direct link to the page, click on Page Link. This option generates a URL that you can distribute through email, chat, or any other communication tool you use with your team. It's a quick way to give access to your meeting notes without navigating through the Loop workspace. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only created a comprehensive, shareable record of your meeting, but also leveraged Loop's collaborative features to enhance productivity and communication within your team. Remember, the key to effective meeting notes is not just recording what's discussed, but organizing the information in a way that's actionable and accessible. Microsoft Loop's structure and flexibility make it an invaluable tool in achieving just that. Happy note-taking, and here's to more productive meetings ahead.